Hey, what's up, guys? This is Doug from Houston. First, I just want to say big thank you to Brent Daniels and the entire Wholesaling Inc crew. I just turned 21 years old a few days ago. It's December of 2020. I joined TTP in July of 2020, and it's been great. I've been wholesaling for about a year now, and prior to joining TTP, I only closed 3 deals, and it took me forever to find the deal. I was doing a bunch of different stuff. I was door knocking, sending out letters, cold calling, texting. I was doing everything because I was new and I didn't really know what to do. And so I decided to join TTP in July. Just trying to close deals more consistently, and Brent pretty much laid out, what you have to do to get these deals more consistently, especially in a saturated market like I am. It's crazy. So I just started to follow the plan, and yeah, once I figured it out, I started being able to close deals consistently in my market. And since joining, it's only been a few months. I've closed 4 deals. One of those deals I kept for myself. It's a rental property, and I have 3 more in escrow at the moment. So yeah, the program is great. Like I said, it's only been about a year, and I've already done a little over 100K in profit. And I have another 40K in escrow right now, and I have my own rental property. So it's been crazy. So I really appreciate Brent Daniels and his course. He lays everything out for you. And if you have any questions, he's there. So it's awesome. So I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you, guys.